Little wedding photograph, you and me in our first name.
What? How?
Dalawang magkakapatid mga idol na kumanta po ng After All These Years. C&C Music. I-follow niyo po ang kanilang Facebook page mga idol. Grabe ang gagaling mga idol. Wala kayong masabi talaga kundi amazing. Pakinggan natin mga idol at mag-react tayo. After All This Year mga idol, C&C Music. Ang gagaling nito.
Close, we're lost in one sweet embrace. Since those days the world has changed, our love remains the same. God knows we've our share of saving grace.
Panalo si Kuya.
I'm proud of all the blessings you have given me.
What? Galing nito. C&C Music mga idol, pakipalo ang kanilang Facebook page mga idol. Ang galing. Ang galing na magkakapatid na ito. Grabe.
You make me feel brand new after the fires that we walked through. Against the odds we never lost our faith. In the house we made our home, where our children all have grown. Precious moments I cannot erase. Living up and down the gypsy highway.
Cute ng boses ng babae, no? Yung bata.
Seasons that we've had to share apart. Somehow in my heart I always keep you near. After all these years.
Oh yeah!
After all these years, you still got me the days and nights that I was gone. After all these years, you sacrificed believing me and you stood strong. 'Cause with our love, there's nothing left to fear. After all these years.
Grabe! Grabe itong ating mga viral video mga idol. Itong dalawang magkapatid na ito. C&C Music mga idol. Ipalo po. Ang galing. Panalo po ang ating dalawang viral singer mga idol. Ang gaganda at gwapo ang ating viral video po.
After all these years, you stood by me the days and nights that I was gone. After all these years, you sacrificed believing me and you stood strong. 'Cause with our love, there's nothing left to fear. After all these years.
Wow! Ang galing. Grabe. C&C Music mga idol sa kanilang Facebook page. Grabe ang galing. Kung i-rate ko po ang kanilang performance mga idol, nasa 9 mga idol. Ang ganda ng timbre ng boses nila. Grabe ang duet na to, no? Ang duo na to talagang magkakapatid. Wala akong masabi kundi amazing. So kayo dyan mga idol, ano masasabi niyo sa kanyang performance, sa kanilang boses? Please comment down below mga idol para ating pag-usapan. Gusto kong malaman ang inyong mga opinion. So yan po ang ating mga dugong Pinoy. Yan ang ating viral video for today. Maraming salamat mga idol. Yan ang ating mga dugong Pinoy. Malulupit talaga sa kantahan. Salamat mga idol at ingat po kayo lagi.
I tried so hard and got so